Hi children, welcome to the physics class. Today we are going to learn about Newton's third law of motion. Now you know you are well versed with all the Newton's law. Today we shall discuss Newton's third law of motion, right? And the statement is very short and sweet that everybody knows. So today we are going to see the physical aspect or scientific aspect of the law, and the law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In reality or real life we have several examples of it, but what the law states or tells us that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. I'll take a simple example. Suppose I'm holding this ball. Now if I remove my hand, what will happen to the ball? Ball goes down. Okay, how come? Now can you tell me the possible pair of forces acting on the ball? Because now ball is at rest in my hand. I'll tell you there are two forces. First force, it's weight. We call it as gravitational force acting vertically downward. That is one. And the second force, which is exactly opposite and equal of the weight, that is normal reaction from my side. It is vertically upward. If I draw the figure, it looks like this somehow. This is your ball. Okay, this is your ball. Right? This is what the ball is. And this was my hand, supposing. Now, the force, two equal and opposite forces. First force downward, that's weight, and we call weight as what? Which force? Gravitational force. And the similar force from the surface, यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ जो force है उसको हम बोलेंगे normal reaction by my hand. Normal reaction. And how these forces are equal and opposite? So this ball is held by the hand. Now the third example in reality is what? You're walking. Now what exactly happens when we walk? It's very simple. You will wonder in walking how come the third law of motion is involved. Now let us understand what exactly happens when we walk. When we walk, we literally push earth backward. That is action by us. And what does earth does? Earth pushes us forward. It gives a forward push. So that is reaction. Okay. So here also we can see the Newton's third law. While walking, we push earth literally backwards. That is what? This is what your action. And what is the reaction from earth? Earth pushes us. Us forward, and this is what your reaction. This is what a reaction. Now the wondering part is what? Both of them are opposite. Backward matlab we are pushing earth backward. Forward, earth is pushing us forward. This is how we can walk. So if there is no law, we cannot walk even, right? And they are equal as well as opposite. Equal bhi hai or opposite bhi hai. Same law we have seen in reality while swimming. You remember or recall the memories of swimming. While swimming, what we do? We push the water backward. That is action. And what the water does? Water pushes us forward. That is reaction. Both are in opposite direction as well as equal. So we have another example, right? That is what your swimming. While swimming, what happens? Water. We push. Actually, we push water where? Backward. This is action or reaction? Action. Then what is the reaction? Reaction who will give? The water. Water pushes us forward. अभी हम ये कैसे मान ले? एक्शन किस तरफ है? बैकवर्ड. रिएक्शन किस तरफ है? फॉरवर्ड. इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. हाउ? अभी ये हम कैसे मान ले कि इक्वल एक्शन है? अपोजिट है, समझ में आ गया. हमने पानी को पीछे ढकेला, पानी ने हमें आगे ढकेला, बट ये दोनों इक्वल है, कैसे पता चलेगा? यू पुश more water backward, you get a solid forward jerk. This is how we can say that equal and opposite. So we can see launching of satellite is the best example. Launching of satellite is the best example of what your Newton's third law of motion. How come launching of satellite? We might have seen in videos on TV that at the time of launch there exists a lot of fume, lot of exhaust by your satellite. In what direction? Downward. That is action. जितना ज्यादा वो एग्जॉस्ट रहेगा उतना फास्ट वो क्या करेगा? लॉन्च करेगा. वेयर? अपवर्ड. इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. ओके. अनदर एग्जांपल इन रियलिटी. दिस इज अ बॉल. आई एम प्रेसिंग द बॉल. जितना ज्यादा फोर्स में अप्लाई करूंगा, दैट इज एक्शन, उतना ज्यादा रिएक्शन ये दिखाएगा मेरे हाथ को. वो इतना ही क्या करेगा? सॉलिड पुश करेगा बैकवर्ड. नाउ दिस डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स इज एक्शन and there exists a restoring force, that is a reaction. स्प्रिंग को जितना ज्यादा प्रेस करोगे, दैट इज एक्शन, उतना जल्दी अपना हाथ ऊपर जाएगा. रिएक्शन. इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. दिस इज हाउ इन रियलिटी वी सी Newton's third law of motion. Let me state the law once again. It states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. The scientific angle, let me tell you, in this case or in this statement, both of them, that's action and reaction, दोनों क्या है? Action and reaction, both are what? Your forces. Both are forces. Second thing, action and reaction, they act on different object. वो दोनों different. जैसे ये weight है. For example, while walking, we applied action on whom? Earth. And who applied reaction is received by whom? By us. So on different object. And third, their action and reaction are always oppositely directed. Oppositely directed का मतलब है अगर action downward है तो reaction कहाँ रहेगा? Upward. Action अगर right है तो reaction कहाँ पे रहेगा? Leftward. Right? This is how they are oppositely directed. So we understand Newton's third law easily. Thank you, children.